Good morning students and welcome back to maths class again. So let us start with unit 3, that is data handling, in which we shall learn about arithmetic mean, mode, median, range and probability. So let us start with arithmetic mean first. So how to calculate arithmetic mean? If we add up all the observations of a given data and divide by the total number of observations, we will get the arithmetic mean. So it is the most common representative value of a group of data. So suppose you get pocket money for consecutive 4 days. Let us suppose you get rupees 20 on first day, 10 on second day, 15 next day, and on last day you get rupees 55. So this is the given data. Okay, now you have to find out arithmetic mean. So what you have to do, you have to sum all the observations. These are observations, you can say data. Okay, 20 plus 10 plus 55 and divide by the total observations. So we have 1 2 3 4 observations. So by summing up all, we get 100, and by dividing we get 25. So on an average, arithmetic mean is also called average. So on an average you get 25 rupees per day as pocket money. Clear? So arithmetic mean is the most common representative value. So we have 20, 10, 15 and 55, but the common thing is 25, that is rupees 25. So by dividing the sum of all observations by the total number of observations, we can get arithmetic mean. Yes, next is mode. What is mode? The observation that occurs most often is called mode. Observation that occurs most often. Let us, we have data like this. Okay. Now, which data is most occurring? That is 4. 4 is occurring 3 times. Okay. So this is called the mode. So the data which occurs most of the time is called the mode. Clear? Yes. Next term is median. So median is the value which lies in the middle of the data. In the middle, बिल्कुल center में आती है. ठीक है? So let us we have rough data. Okay. So before finding the median, we have to make the data in ascending or descending order. So by making it in ascending order, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay. So we have here 7 terms. Okay. So in the 7 observations, if we leave first 3 terms and last 3 terms, in the middle we get 4. Okay. So this will be the median. So 4 will be the median in this data. Clear? We can do it also by descending order. By descending order we get, so leaving equal terms, ठीक है, in the front and afterward, in the middle we get 4. So in both the methods, while in ascending order or in descending order, the middle term will be the median. Next term is range. So what is range? The difference between the highest and lowest data or observation, you can say, is called the range. So range here is highest observation minus lowest observation. Let us, we have a data. Okay. So we have rough data here like this. Now we have to find range. Now the highest observation here is 9 and the lowest observation is 1. so the range will be 8. Okay, from subtracting highest from the highest to the lowest, we will get range. Okay, so range is the highest observation minus lowest observation. Yes, the last term is probability. Okay, so what is probability? The extent to which an event is likely to occur. कितनी बार कोई चीज होती है. Let us have an example. Suppose you have a coin and you toss it. By tossing it, you will get either head or tail. Okay, so it can be find out by number of favorable observations. Favorable observations by dividing total observations. Now total observations are 2. Here total observations are 2, and suppose you toss the coin and by getting head you will start the game, or your team will start the game. So by getting head, so head will come only once. Okay, and tail, similarly tail will come in once. One time ये आएगी, one time ये आएगी. So what is the probability of getting head? That is 1. Head is one time here, but total observations are 2. Means total outcomes. You can say total observations or outcomes. ठीक है, total outcomes आपके पास 2 हैं, and head आने की जो probability है, that is 1/2. Similarly, the probability of getting tail, that is also 1/2. Clear? तो इस तरह से हम probability find out कर सकते हैं by dividing number of favorable outcomes to the total outcomes. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.